Hello, I am D.D. Sharma, Gayatri Upasak, Swar Vigyan expert and Sri Vidya Acharya or Reiki Grandmaster. I have a plan for you. What is that? Any patient suffering from diabetes, chronic diabetes, he has good golden opportunity to be cured with the help of Gayatri therapy. So listen, how does this Gayatri therapy work? So I will tell you and explain that Gayatri therapy is highly effective for curing disease completely. Though this disease is very sensitive disease, very harmful to your body's tissues, but this is ethereal body. I say diabetes is not in our this body, but the causes of diabetes are existing in our ethereal body. So the medical science cannot work on the causes of diabetes. So they always prescribe medicines for lifelong period that you take till you live in this world, you take diabetes. So I will explain this, how does it work. I am D.D. Sharma, the same fellow, Gayatri Upasak and Sri Vidya Acharya, Grandmaster Reiki, and I have been devoting for Gayatri Mantra at least for 15 years actively, and I belong to a Gayatri Upasana family, Gayatri worshipping family. So we people have powers to grant and give blessings to the all people. But one time I have this thing that only diabetes patients, only this session is only for diabetic patients, chronic diabetes patients or normal diabetic patients. But I am focused only on diabetes patients. My work is specifically done for diabetic persons. I always research on diabetic patients for further improvement, for further cure, and the more efficacy, how does it will work. So I have written something, you will see that Gayatri therapy description second. Now in last video I have given prescription number 1, that was that writing of Gayatri Mantra, then pronunciation of Gayatri Mantra, then meditation of Gayatri Mantra, and Havan Pethi of Gayatri. 4 things I have narrated before you, so you can start immediately taking the benefits of. But one thing important, what is that? That the quantity is fixed. You should not go beyond the quantity or should not remain under quantity. Always, if I say 1 page writing of Gayatri Mantra 30 times in a notebook, okay, not more than this, neither less than this, okay? Because balance is the life, equiposition is the life. Samatvam योग उच्चते भगवत गीता में कहा गया है. So balance is everything is right in our body. Blood chemistry means balance between the pressure, balance between the our rhythm of heart, balance. They everywhere in this world is a balance. If balance is went under, not good. If balance is disturbed, not good. So balance is all. So the prescribed dose you should follow. Okay. All other things are not needed, but only one thing is needed. The sequence is important and the quantity is important. All right. Thank you. You understood, I think. Okay. Now I tell you one thing, that Gayatri therapy prescription number 2. It means how you make the prescription 1 is more effective. So you listen one thing here, that in our body there are energy levels, energy points. There are 7 energy points. Those are very known to you, familiar you are for all these, like the basis or fundamental energy point, second is scalar energy point, third is solar energy point, fourth is heart energy point, then third eye, then crown chakra. You know all these. But what I would like to tell you is energy level 200. This is, I think, new point for you. Okay. 200 caliber. It means this is the level of empowerment. If you attain this level of 200 caliber, means now you have command over your any disease, specifically diabetes. Either diabetes will win over you or you will win over you. But when the level 200 caliber is achieved by you through the process of Gayatri therapy for 90 days, then you will achieve this level of 200 caliber of energy level, or spiritually it is said conscious level. Okay. So you have to achieve this level of conscious 200 caliber. This level is known as level of courage, level of dominance, level of empowerment. So you will empower and disease will go away by the automatic courageous boldness of you and determination of you. This is the level of determination. You now determined to say goodbye to diabetes. Now two things are important. When we breathe, okay, you all know about Swar Vigyan or a breathing system. We dominantly either breathe by our left nostril or right nostril. The left nostril is known as lunar nostril, lunar breathing, and the right is known as solar breathing. Or if both are going side by side equally, then it is known as equiposed. So in Hindi, in Sanskrit we say this is Chandraswar, that is Suryaswar, and the madhya mein jo hai, that is known as Susumna. Okay, now what is the Gayatri mantra? Is a mantra specifically for solar breathing. Savitur Varanyam. Gayatri mantra says, what is Savitur Varanyam? Savito means sun, the bigger sun. We see the sun, more sun in this universe, or bigger sun. There are so many suns in this universe. So the bigger suns, known as the Param Sun, Param Surya. So Savitur Varanyam. So who is the deity of Gayatri mantra? Sun, Savita. Savitur Varanyam. Varanyam means we have taken certain good qualities, worth. Okay. Then third, Savitur Varanyam Bhargo. Bhargo means we are cleaning ourselves. Visuddha, purity, pure potential in you will now attain. So diabetes will go away. You say diabetes, goodbye, no work here for me. My body doesn't permit you now. Go away. See elsewhere. Anything, any place, you go elsewhere. No need to remain in my body. Okay. So this is known as worth. And then Gayatri mantra says one thing more, that is the Bhargo Devasya. Devasya means divine. It means the power of whole universe, divinity will work with you when you either chant this mantra or write this mantra or do Gayatri Havan or do meditation for this. Okay. Everybody, I think, followed me, understood my words. Now, one more thing. Lunar breathing is preferred for remedies, for curing the diseases. But diabetes is not covered under this normal condition. So, solar breathing is expected. If you have solar breathing for a more time in your life, then it will be very effective. So I say one thing, adopt for 2 or 3 hours solar breathing. Okay. Then next one thing is that equiposed breathing is not desired. This is only for spiritual. We are not talking about spiritual development. We are talking only for the cure of diabetes. So the diabetes patients get benefit by solar breathing. Now the one thing more effective making it, what is that? That is the retention of breathing. This is very important. This will make your prescription number 1 is highly effective. Okay? What is that? That you take deep breathing. Deep, deep, deep till the solar plexus. Okay? And then you chant Gayatri mantra. Okay? This is known as, in yogic language, Kumbha, Kumbhak, inner Kumbhak. Okay? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. I think in beginning you can chant only for 1 time. Then by practice you may chant for twice, for thrice. Not more than that. This is not important. Important is this: you retain your breath in your solar plexus and then chant silently, not pronouncing silently. Okay? And then one more thing is that you exhale your breathing. Exhale your breathing completely and retain. This is known as Bahya Kumbhak, external Kumbhak, outer Kumbhak. So then you also recite what? Gayatri Mantra. Gayatri Mantra is a simple. You know what is Gayatri Mantra? I tell you again. Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yone Prachodayat. Okay? This is Gayatri. Here mantras, Gayatri is not a simple one mantra, but the mantra of 24 letters, 24 mantras are comprised in Gayatri Mantra. Okay? So what would happen? This will happen that the pronunciation of Gayatri Mantra in your body will increase your immunity power greatly, adequately, and your all cells will be working harmoniously to remove the diabetes from your blood, from your body completely in 90 days. Okay? Then one thing more important is this. What is that? If you chant Gayatri Mantra, okay? Gayatri Mantra is effective. And simple Gayatri Mantra. What is Gayatri Mantra? Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya. These are the 4 words. First is known as Savitur. Savitur means Surya. The power of Surya is coming in me. I am becoming as strong as sun. Okay? When there is a hot, red hot Surya, then nobody can stand near the Surya. Similarly, when your strength will be increased, diabetes cannot stand in your body. Okay? Second thing is that your chanting is all right, but writing is 10 times more effective than chanting. Okay? So, writing of Gayatri Mantra 30 times in a day is more effective than chanting of Gayatri Mantra even for 100 times, or even for 1000 times, even for 10,000 times. So, what is important? Writing is more effective, or writing is a simple also. Writing has no any type of discipline. Chanting may be having certain disciplines, but writing is very simple, and having no understanding, having no discipline. If you are sitting in your house in ordinary dress, you can write. Writing is very simple. Anytime you can write. There is no prohibition, there is no compulsion of bathing, etc., or purity, etc. Second thing, if you do Kumbhak, what does it activates 50 times more than chanting. Okay? If you like, chanting is all right, But if you chanting through your kumbhak, means retention of breathing either in the solar plexus or outside your body, okay, then it will be highly effective 50 times, okay. If you practice writing Gayatri mantra and chanting mantra, but chanting is not more than 108 times, keep in your mind quantity, otherwise it may be harmful. Precaution is this, that not more than 108 times, 108, 108, not more than 108, okay. So the automatic vibrant, when you start practicing writing makes you more exact, okay. Then vibrant of chanting in your heart will start automatically. Then what will be the effectiveness? 1000 times more effective than oral chanting. Chanting with mouth or chanting with mouth, that is also effective. But the automatic vibrant chanting, sway prerit hokar ke chalna, that is known as vibrant chanting, that is 1000 times more beneficial. So you should adopt these three things. What is? I summarize the things, okay? Summarize. First thing is take solar breathing, okay? Then second जो है retention of breathing outside the kumbhak or inside kumbhak, okay? And then third thing I summarize here is chanting is very effective. Chanting with mouth, oral chanting is effective. But writing is more effective. How much? How many times? 10 times, okay? Then kumbhak chanting either outside or inside is effective. How many times? 50 times, okay? Then if you start automatic vibrant system, then it is 1000 times. So how could you achieve vibrant? That is needed diksha, okay? In beginning there is no need of diksha. If you take diksha, all right. But if you have not taken diksha, never mind. You start this prescription and get benefit and get relief from diabetes, okay? Whenever you need that I should now take the diksha to become vibrant, then you take the diksha. You can contact, our number is given to you, and you can take diksha initiation of Gayatri mantra, okay? Anything more? If you have any query, you can contact on the number in our community. You join and contact, so queries will be solved and satisfy you with the Gayatri mantra, because Gayatri mantra is nowadays scientific remedy, okay? Because research has been done jointly by All India Medical Institute of Delhi, the highest medical body in our country, and jointly with whom? IIT, in Indian Institute of Technology, that is also the highest technological body in our country. The research, the conclusion of research is this: Gayatri mantra pronunciation, writing and vibrant, automatic vibrant will make more GABA hormones in your blood vessels, more endorphin hormone, more happiness hormones like dopamine, okay, serotonin, okay, melatonin, okay, endorphin, okay, and oxytocin, okay, all 5, also GABA, also 6 happiness hormones will be secreted you in adequate amount, so you will be always happy, energetic and empowered. Thank you very much for today, okay?